Welcome back to a brand new movie, and this movie name The Weekend. But before we go in detail, people, to the new subscriber them and the new people them on board, I'm coloring book from Wrld TV. You see me? So a lot of people a text and a comment and I say, yo, they want some action movie, they want some horror movie. So basically, we decide to go on a horror movie. You understand? Because I text and I say, I want a movie like Dangerous Side, man. You get what I say? So anyhow, we decide to go on a horror movie now. We watch part 1 and I see some comment in a part 1, so I'm scared and good for promotion and good for the business and everything. Well, everybody opinion count. That's why we have the comment where you guys can text and tell you what you think, what could I do better. But first thing first, I say all of that, if we say this, the movie name The Weekend, remember, it's just a movie. You know, it's just a movie. So if you guys care, I'm not gonna do no more horror movie. But anyhow, big up all of my fans, them local and international. You get what I say? And remember, you see the Blue Crane Escape. Remember, one place where you can come chill, enjoy yourself with you and your family, whether your friends or your family. The place nice, so you can watch a movie and see so the whole of the room them where we shot the movie and it nice. So don't make the movie guys trick you and feel like whatever you see taking place here is only a movie. You see me? So a lot of people are comment and a lot of people are text. So when them come to Jamaica and when them get them birthday and when them fiancé want to come and get married, them want to come spend some time at the Blue Crane Escape. So remember, room, Wrld TV for the people and only for the people. You see me? Popular, you have anything to say?
On Wrld TV, so people, remember, as the coloring book say in the intro, remember, everything where you see take place is just a movie. So, I don't want you guys to watch the movie and I say, oh, I'm not going to bother for the Blue Crane Escape because I didn't something I go on. No, it's just a movie we're doing. You understand? So, I don't want to take it as no harm. So, please do remember, people, that we're still asking for the donation towards the trip. You know, so as I say, if you have an actor or an actress we like and you don't want then reach in Panama City, we do December for do some filming. You understand? You can just link the contact number on the screen. You understand? No matter how small it be. And there's a small donation towards the trip. So just big up on yourself and just watch a movie to the end. You see what I go on? At the weekend.
As I always say, at the weekend it's just a movie. But remember, your favorite actor or actress, if you want to donate or make a sponsor, just reach out on the number on the screen. One more thing, more just respect and thank you all of the support I'm over Wrld TV and Coloring Book TV. But I just have a little simple problem I want to just address. I love and respect you all of my actresses and all of my actors them who support Wrld TV and also Coloring Book TV. The fans them is very, very important, but also we the actress and actor we make you can watch movie and enjoy yourself, we also important. So we don't need no fans to come over in the comment and a disrespect an actress or an actor and I go tell we say, yo, you need that somebody or that person to come act with we. Who you see? Female or male, we see act with us, those are the people we are working at this moment. If somebody new for forward come act with Wrld TV and Coloring Book TV, when it happen, it happens. So if your favorite actress or actor down over here, please just go a channel where your favorite actress and actor there. But in meanwhile, please do not come over here and disrespect our actress and actor because you don't like them. So just stroll on to a channel where you can find your favorite actress and actor. Without no disrespect, big up all of my fans, them local and international. Because we love you guys. One Wrld TV, if you're not Wrld TV, a Coloring Book TV. Big up all the actors and always support you, local and international.
The weekend, everyone thinking they would have a nice time at the Blue Crane Escape. But chop, chop, it's so creepy, American gone. Left us make we weekend. So sad, Blue Crane Escape is a nice place, but Omar is so wicked. Kim Hart did a tell Marie.
Puppy? Puppy? Oh, puppy there. Oh, what if the window open? Puppy there. I wonder if it must not out the door to come back. I'm gonna bathroom. Puppy there. Oh, he ain't good in a tear. Yeah, they will sleep. Puppy?
Oh, this rich part. Door. I could have swear me lucky door. I could have swear me lucky door before me go sleep. God is for you, Tia. Puppy Dan. Puppy Dan, you come with this, you know? God is for you, Tia. Now we are going to school, Puppy Dan. Oh, God. I just hear knocking a while ago. Puppy Dan! Aliyah! What did I weigh?
What that door? In here, son. Puppy there.
A puppy me I come to where me by my puppy there.
Puppy in your room.
No.
Puppy. In my room.
Aliyah, something strange a go on. Me doze Aliyah, and me know before me go on my bed, me never put no cover over me. Me never put no cover over me, and me wake up and see this. God is for you, Tia. Me swear if you say a puppy, then what you mean by puppy then not there?
God is for you. What do you mean by God is for you?
This not even like puppy dan handwriting, but me think a puppy dan.
I couldn't sleep from wake up and come out.
All my door left open, Aliyah. My door, and me know me lock the door before me go sleep. Alia, we all look for
Just something in your ear.
something in me here.
Yeah, just trust me and turn around.
Oh, what that Alia? How that reaching me here?
What is it? What is this?
That reaching me here. Where is it, Alia?
Oh. Yeah, stop around. What does this mean?
Where is it? You next, Alia.
What mean by me next? Me what?
Oh,
me
me
next
if
to
you
what?
Can't understand what one. Really can't understand. Puppy done there.
See what this mean by me next? So that I stop a joking. I'm in the joke with none of you.
Alia, I'm in a no joke either.
What mean by darker? You sure Puppy down there in your room? Cause we come out here, couldn't sleep and I look for Puppy down and I can't find him. I know you're saying sleep.
Alia, I don't know where Puppy done there. Puppy done in my room, Alia.
The next weird thing, all the window open. Who open me window?
So I get from bad to worse. I don't know what to do.
Mom can't wait for one day her upon lighthouse. So we can't get figure to look for Puppy dad.
Hello, Alia. Me I wonder if America ain't got. When if you in America, you're gonna look for America or something. Cause this, and if that be the case, you not even call or text. I just can't understand what really are going. I don't know.
At 6 o'clock now, you're going to look for the doctor.
Oh, me not go out there. You go on. You're braver than me.
No, I'm not going there. Puppy! A puppy, you know. A puppy, darling. Yeah, come. A puppy. How that? Somebody don't want mask.
Somebody don't want mask.
Yeah, who?
Open back the door now. Stop.
No, open no. Puppy!
Hello? Hello?
Chop chop!
It's Chop Chop, it's not Puppy Dan. Hello? It's not Puppy Dan, it's Chop Chop. Good morning.
Morning.
Why you guys in the dark? Why you guys don't turn on the light? It's to 7 now. You guys okay? Good morning.
Yeah. Come inside.
Thank you.
Hurry up, lock the door.
Why? Look. It's daylight, rain falling.
One man
The
in
rain
one
is
mask
falling.
So,
Ali, alright?
yes.
Come like you guys sleep in the city.
Not really. Chop chop, more be honest with me. You're so creepy bad. And if you tell me I walk 1 year so, you're creepy bad.
Creepy? You sure? You guys all watching horror movie?
No, we are here knocking, things are tumbling.
Right now, we more feel like we're dead in our horror movie right now.
Who does that?
Explain what happened to you in that room.
What happened?
Explain.
You can talk to Chop Chop.
Alright, Chop Chop.
Yes, ma'am.
The doors are
Calm down. Calm down. You okay? Too much AC. Go ahead.
my doors are right.
What does that mean?
Alright, so me didn't sleep.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh,
like,
I
I
understand.
couldn't sleep for the one night, but after a while, I fall asleep. Right?
I think you need worm out. How long you didn't take a worm out?
to sleep?
Yeah. Worm out. Your mama or your grandmother didn't tell you to take worm out every 6 months. You sleep freely. Alright, go ahead.
Alright,
Go
put
ahead.
phone and joke aside, Chop Chop. 'Cause
Yes.
right now, this really has stressed me out. I wake up and I see one paper in my hand.
Paper?
Yes. God is for you, Tia. Right?
Oh, that is so beautiful. God is for you.
Yes, so I think I put
Beautiful but creepy.
On top of that, Me go on my bed and me never put no sheet or nothing over me. And me wake up and see that over me. Thirdly, the door open and me never me close the door. You understand what I say?
Alright. Let me see if I can answer. You see, the blue crane escape,
Yeah.
a lot of angel. It's so blessed. So maybe the sheet that you see cover you when you wake up, maybe it's the angel. Or may I see the way Puppy Dan look at you, maybe it's Puppy Dan.
That's the point. Puppy Dan is not in here. We can't. You don't see Puppy Dan. Puppy Dan left to come look for you from.
So where's Puppy Dan?
We don't know.
Oh my God! As you talk about Puppy Dan, I remember. But before I say anything about Puppy Dan, the noise that you say you heard outside, the damn dog them, man! The damn dog them from next door. I tell the neighbor, lock up your dog, catch up your dog. If Chop gonna chop them up. Come and take a look. No, come and take a look. Come and take a look. How can I run a business when dog knocking over the rubbish bin? Come and take a look.
Yeah, me see it.
So that's the problem. That's the noise you guys heard outside.
Oh, okay.
Alright, cool. So as I was saying now about the sheet. What I was saying again? Can you refresh my memory? Cause Chop getting old.
Chop, listen now. Just
Yes,
cut it crap. We want to know if you see Puppy Dan or not.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
one I know.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Yes, I did saw Puppy Dan.
When?
Puppy Dan tell me to tell you, but I didn't want to come in the night and wake you. Puppy Dan, same guy.
Puppy Dan tell you if tell we again. First Marika this, then I'm tired of
Calm
this.
down, calm
Alright,
down.
listen.
Calm
What
down.
Puppy Dan tell us say?
Calm down. What's the problem? You okay? Okay, Puppy Dan told me to tell you guys that I'm gonna look for what's Marika boyfriend? Puppy Dan
Public.
Public. So I'm gonna look for Marika and Public.
Let me ask you a question then. First, I thought you say you don't know Marika there, right? Then you say Marika gone with him boyfriend in a car or whatever. Then Marika call Marika boyfriend and Marika boyfriend say no see Marika. And now you tell us a Puppy Dan gonna look for Public. This not add up. What go on? It not add up.
That's what happened. I'm not a liar. But anyhow, listen. Puppy Dan tell me to tell you guys that I'm gonna look for Public and Marika.
So
why
I'm gonna
Puppy
be
Dan
back in
call
the. I
we?
that
don't
me want
know.
one thing phone. Why never come back first?
No, listen. Chop only take reservation, bookings, and message. So I deliver the message.
Alright. The hall, the window and the kitchen right there, so why was it open?
Why you didn't close it?
We don't open no window fan, we come here, so no not supposed to
You
open.
sure you don't open? Puppy Dan won't open?
Me find this
Chop.
in our here, what that mean?
My God. Use Alia?
Then I could have who?
You next. You
What
sure
mean
you
by
don't have
me
a
next?
crush? You sure you don't have a crush? Someone like you?
Me I gonna have a crush over here, so me barely know nobody here, so.
Mine one of the guests. Write it.
Which guess I me just see one guess for me come here.
Alia, you argue with Chop too
Man.
much. Chop, you see Puppy Dan? You say Puppy Dan, okay. Bye.
Yeah. Alia. You next. What's that mean?
What mean by you me supposed to ask your place? Me say, Tia, you know where I do? I want to come to my yard now. Come here, my two people to live far. No, tell me for
Alia, just slow down now.
come home. See, there's something that me cannot bother with.
Puppy Dan phone and go straight vice me.
Listen to me. Me and you know say Puppy Dan not going to leave here and not come tell we. And Puppy Dan say we afraid. Puppy Dan not going to left two women and gone. So we chop and see a crap. You're going to use the bathroom there, man.
How are you? How me reach us? What you doing there? Help! Help!
Don't waste your breath. You're there far, far, far away. No one not gonna hurt you.
How are you?
You can scream all the day long. Nobody now gonna hear you.
Last thing I remember me done up by Jamaican. I'm just feel something in my head, but I don't know nothing else from that. I don't know how me reach it, so somebody help me. Please stop that laughing.
Puppy Dan,
You know me name, how are you?
calm down. Calm down. Shh. Shh.
Chop chop! Yeah, I grown this man.
I know.
So what you do? Are you living in my head?
Who does that?
You does that. How me reach you so? What you do to America? What you do to public? Over there, so what you do to me?
Puppy Dan.
Help!
Help! Help! Shh. Nobody now go hear you. Everybody with it. Anybody with hear you. Marika. Maybe Marika reach a heaven. Or maybe reach a hell.
You're unalive, my friend.
No. Never unalive him. Me help him out.
You're wicked.
Me help out Marika. Me help out a lot of people.
So what you do to public? When earlier they were tear.
Shh.
You mash up a weekend.
Shh. Shh. Let's talk about the weekend. First thing first, I don't want public to talk to him yet. I don't know what kind of castic public like. Blue, white, green, dark, grey. Marika, before Marika take him last breath. Shh. I'm talking. Shh. Before Marika take him last breath, Marika say, I like pink castic.
Please, may I beg you, please. God. Please, may I beg you, give me a chance. Chop, chop.
Puppy Dan,
Coloring book.
I'm gonna make it quick. Very, 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 very quick. You know? You're one of the brave one. You're one of the tough one.
So if you give me a chance.
I gave you 3, 4 of this in your neck, in your head, in your back, and you're still alive. But
Give me a chance.
Shut up. Shut up. I'm talking. Write it down with a pen. Pop it on.
Chop, chop.
I'm gonna give you a fast one. We are not gonna be that lucky.
Chop, chop.
Pop it on.
Help.
This is the moment. This is the
Help.
time.
Help. Chop, chop.
Shh. Shut up. Shut up. You're a lucky one. Once more. Come like some fresh guests. Arrive. Stay right there. Don't move.
See, I let me go now.
I'm gonna be back. Maybe when I come back, I think about it. And I let you go. If you be a good guy or a good person. Da da dee da da. Good morning.
Morning, bossy.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm fine. You guys okay?
Yes, we heard about the villa and we wanted to stay the weekend.
Yeah, you are the one that reached out to me on the phone.
Yes?
Yes, bossy.
Hey, what's up, bro? You okay? Bro, don't talk a lot.
Oh no.
I can see that. Me neither. Chop don't talk a lot, but when it comes to business, I talk a lot.
Oh, your name is Chop
My
Chop?
name is Chop.
Okay, my name
Yeah.
is Chelsea.
Oh,
this
nice
is,
to meet you, Chelsea.
This is my
Fiancé.
Tibi.
Okay. Okay, Tibi. And Chelsea. Okay.
Alright, so what's the
Don't
cost?
talk a lot. The same price that I told you on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, it's don't drop and you don't raise it yet. So you guys gonna take the double bed, right?
Yes.
And you gonna take a single bed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no problem. So where you guys from?
We're traveling from Ochi, exchange.
Oh my God, Ochi. I get a lot of guests from Ochi. A lot of guests. St. Anne's Bay, Ochi, Runaway Bay. Where you from? Don't talk a lot.
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Oh, Trelawney. That's the same place in Ochi, right?
Well, a little bit out of Ochi.
Okay.
Probably a half an hour to an hour.
You guys fit. How long you guys in a relationship?
It's been a while.
Oh my God. I tell you what, I'm gonna give you guys a discount. If
Oh,
you
nice.
bring your female, I'll give you a discount. Yeah, your price still stand. Yeah, so you wanna go to your room right now?
Yes, because we're ready to make our reservations.
Okay.
You don't remember us though?
No, but
We
I
have some-
remember that you're the one that called on the phone.
Okay. We have some friends here. Marika, Tia and Alia.
Oh
and
my
Puppy Dan.
God, I'm so sorry.
Hand is bleeding.
Oh, it's not blood.
Oh.
What?
Oh,
It's what?
it's liver. Yeah, I chop
Oh,
up
you're
the liver.
cooking?
Yeah, liver and white rice and pepper. Oh my God, it's so delicious. Oh my God. If
I
you
don't
there,
eat liver.
oh, it's okay. But if you're there for the weekend, I could look about some liver if you like it.
Liver
But
is that
anyhow-
red?
Yeah, it's that red.
Oh,
because
wow.
it's in the fridge
It's on your
maybe.
pan, it's right there.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm chop. I clean up the yard, make sure you guys okay.
Hold on. Why them call it chop?
It's a long story, but one of the day me and you're gonna sit and have a talk, have a drink,
You could
crush.
make it short.
I don't have the time right now. Business before pleasure.
Oh. Okay.
My apology. Alia, Puppy Dan, Tia, I heard so much about you guys. Please, welcome. Who's gonna make the reservation?
I am.
There you go.
Okay, so tell you what, room 3 and room 4 already open waiting for you guys. Room 4, that's a single bed, and room 3, that's a double bed for you and your missus, you and your wife. Okay? So me and she gonna make the reservation.
Room, you know we find here.
Tell you what, bring the key to this door so you can just go at this side.
Lead the way.
No problem.
Let's go, bro. Go, bro. I'll catch you.
Chelsea,
Gonna
let's
see if
go.
Everything's okay. Alright, bro. No problem. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm coming here.
You're not going to your room?
No, I just wait on Chelsea.
No, it's okay.
No, I wanna see what's going on.
All right, tell you what. You guys, I think you'd have a long journey. You are so tired, you want to bed, sleep, see your, I think you want to see your friends. So tell you what,
relax, yes.
you guys can just come back later and make the reservation and pay the payment. I'm
What
just going
can
to
I
take
do
out.
now?
No, it's okay. Just enjoy yourself. Where you running to? You're here for the weekend, right?
Okay, so you're giving us the privilege to come back to make payment.
Thank you. You're so smart.
So when it's time, you can just call us.
No
and
problem. I will call you night or day. So I'm just gonna take out the meat. No, sorry, not the meat. The garbage. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the garbage. Soon be back. Just have
Well,
yourself.
you say you were cooking, right?
You're cooking
Yeah,
liver.
I'm not cooking outside. I'm cooking inside.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice weekend. Okay.
Okay. So,
Right.
So what's that?
What?
That's blood.
You say
Yeah.
we're cooking inside, there's blood outside.
That's a big liver. You know, cow liver. It's very big.
I understand.
It can serve from now till next week.
You drop it on the floor.
It's dropped, but I take it up back 'cause it's so expensive. Excuse me.
Okay. So we'll just listen out for your call.
Okay. Bye. Have a nice weekend. It's a pleasure.
All right.
Yeah, bye. Have a nice weekend.
Chelsea, I don't trust that guy.
What room our friends are in?
Oh, I think it's number 2.
Room number 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of them?
I think so.
Chop chop. How are you been?
Yeah, rubbish to dash. Me already dash your rubbish.
Yeah.
What problem? You alright?
I smell someone chop chop.
Basically, it's rubbish. Rubbish stink.
No rubbish, not a stink chop chop.
Me I go dash them rubbish and forward.
You say you don't hear nothing about American popular now.
I don't hear nothing about Marika and Popidan. Last time that I talked to Popidan, he said I'm gonna look for public.
So I was a red penny bean chop chop.
Maybe it's the meat that I was looking about, the liver. You want some? You okay?
Yeah.
Excuse me. You find out what's that mean yet? You next?
Alright, here chop chop.
Aliyah. Chelsea, your friend, she's next door.
Chelsea.
Chelsea and Timmy.
Tia, girl, come. Chelsea the next door.
Da da.
He said Chelsea the next door. Come on. Girl, come.
Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da.
Come. Chelsea.
Alia.
Chelsea.
Hey.
Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Alright.
Long for solo.
Toga, come with me.
Yeah, Toga, come with me.
You remember Toga, Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tell a little hug that Toga, big hug.
So I go on.
Nothing.
When I finally reach.
Yes, me excited, you know, alright?
You can't have a seat, you know.
Sit down yourself. Me tired and frustrated, girl, and my head a kill me.
Yeah, man, no
Journey
good.
4. But hold on there, guys. Some people missing. Where is Marika and Public? No tell me say Public come back from Marika and I never want to spend a weekend.
Oh, but by the way, where is Poppy then?
Where everybody there? No, guys, come on. What happened? What happened? Something more we need to know about?
Well, them gone to the beach or to the supermarket?
Are they sleeping?
Where is them?
Alright, calm down. We're going to try and explain. Explain
Alright,
what?
honestly, Chelsea, I want a good question that you ask. But honestly, I don't know how to answer your question.
But what?
I don't know wedding day, Like, literally.
Wait. Tia, you don't know what we friend them there. What you mean?
They gone on the road?
Only just calm down. Listen, alright.
What the hell? Wait.
Just give me 1 minute.
Alia, what's wrong?
What you doing?
Alia, why you lucky don't come to spend the weekend?
Just calm down now. Let me explain.
Is it mosquitoes?
Some creepy something are going from when we come here.
What?
Understand?
What? We mean creepy something.
For we come here, we don't know America. We can't find America. We don't see America from the first day we come here.
And you guys still stay here?
Just
I no call and say nothing to none of no.
Chelsea, the first day we come in America never feel good, right? She did have some car sickness or some, motion sickness like.
I want to sleep, me asleep.
She come with we, and then Chop, the man where.
Who's Chop?
the guy. Wait, book on in.
Whatever him be.
Man, I'm to make a reservation.
Omar.
I told you that guy was weird.
He's creepy as
Him
hell.
can go to the room, for put her for lie down and stuff like that. We know they're for a room and enjoy for ourselves, get carried away, not even remember. Like, I don't really remember when I remember. We are saying Marika good, in the morning we check on her and all them something there.
Wait, Tia, you crazy? How you feel know say Marika no feel good for her in the car? And you come a party and make Chop go with her and you no go check for her?
Tibi, just calm down. Just sit down and calm.
What kind of
Just
friend
calm
you be,
down.
Alia, how we calm down? You don't know we're friends them
Everybody
there.
get carried away sometimes, Chelsea. You need to understand that, and we think America good. And I don't understand. We do in a man will wake up now. Send Puppy and go coffee her. Puppy and come back and say no see her, and Chop tell Puppy say America gone with Public. So it looks like Public come for America and then Chop tell one different story. And
we all call Public and Public saying
you don't know America there.
I was so invested in having fun and forget about
Marika, I don't call and say nothing to none of it. Tia, where were you when Marika gone missing? Where were you when all of this happened?
She did in her room locked down with Puppy Dan. And me sit on there hard, talk on my phone. So now we just carried away. You're
in her room locked down with Puppy Dan and people gone missing around here and we friend them.
And I like me did know say she never gone missing.
What the hell do you mean you don't know? She don't feel good. They don't make one stranger man carry her go in her room and you can't find her. That's slackness. Total slackness. You come for me in a relationship on the weekend and you're locked down with Puppy Dan.
Listen, you don't need to worry about me and Puppy Dan. You understand what I say? Puppy Dan is your ex-man. Focus on your man where you come here so with.
Listen me now. Enough of this bullshit now. We are focused on the wrong thing.
Okay.
We focus on America and Puppy Dan and Public we cannot find.
Hold on. I thought y'all came here to do the history assignment.
Listen to me now.
Babes, calm down.
We can't find. We can't find America. We can't find Puppy Dan. And then we are called Public for when Public answer when I tell him I say I come. I know he can't reach. I know Public can't reach. So obviously Public missing too. And I want to focus on my relationship.
Public the professor?
Public missing. Yeah, America man. Yeah, missing.
So America is with
Listen to me. Enough for that. You have focus on the wrong thing. I want to get me agitated right now.
So you know what? Tell me say three somebody missing. Public, Marika, and Puppy.
Right now, you know why I'm stressed? Because me can't believe say on the way coming here, one young man always sip on the road. Tell me about the place here and we never take heed of the place. We really never take heed.
Hold on, Etia. One young man on the road, complete stranger, see and say something to you about the place.
We stop, right? Puppy then ask him where to find the place. Him did I tell me say the place, when people come here, them not make it out back. But we never listen.
We chase the man and tell the man saying too enough.
So Tia, how you know say we are come here and not call we and tell we all
people are going missing.
It happened just so fast, we never believe the man.
Hold on there.
Oh.
What is man?
How
Three. What happened?
B,
What happened?
something creepy just passed the window a while ago.
Something creepy.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Lock back the curtain.
Are you sure?
Me tell her say,
Yeah, bro.
you see
What kind of jeepers creepers? What happened?
you see the man with the hair named Chop Chop? Him a move some creepy way, just creepy, very weird.
I told you that that was weird.
Yeah, me close, the how you open.
This is some jeepers
Think
creepers
you ready
shit.
for Gami, yeah?
Me want got me yet, but me no want live with a puppy than America them. Me no know them.
What we are gonna do? What we are gonna do?
Yeah,
We need to
yeah,
find my
yeah,
friend them. We
this
need to
guy's
find
fine.
them. We see blood pan him pants, him man chop chop when he say name, and blood upon the ground out of the lobby
There's
door.
a lot of blood outside.
Me see my push one pin with something sting.
What?
Yeah, and then my come tell me boy in there cut me.
Oh, that.
Who's that? Who's there? I ain't got time to waste. Make sure you show your face next time. Shit.
Where is Tugger? How long Tugger can come back?
You happy now? Come and think you're going. Oh, we have more to do. Toga, what happened?
Man, I ain't seen nobody out there.
No do that again, man. No, come
Somebody
call.
was out there.
No, I ain't seen nobody. Some weird ass shit is happening here. We need to find our friends and get the hell out of here.
We need to find a friend for you.
So who was with me? Raise your hand. Listen, I know y'all are scared, but we need to find our friends and get out of here.
Why you not no up? Hey, why you not no up? I una cause of this, you know. We not go home until we find my friend them, you know.
Hold on, the student, why cause of this?
Oh no!
You
Oh, no.
understand why scenario we go through over here, so you know. So you see, we not go back out there because we know we can't take
Unless
place.
you guys are hiding something.
If you ever know, say Puppy Dan left out, say I'm gonna look for America and no return and
So
no.
me not be one for left out and a return. I'm fine right here.
So you go sit down
come
your side
on.
every day? Every day you know sit down just comfortable so like seriously. We friend ain't gone missing and no comfortable just sit down so.
You not play hero to become zero.
You can't turn zero right in your soul where you're there.
They have a say, me a play a card right now, me get to leave one.
Oi,
Me not
let
be
me
like
tell her
that
this.
with that,
Let me
sorry.
tell her
You
this.
see somebody with a door can come inside.
Chelsea, you want to look for them, you look for them.
Make
Me
it
not
make
come out
sense,
there and
Alia.
done.
Make it make sense. You see him somebody with out the door now run and hide from can
Wait.
come inside.
Okay. Don't let it be an argument. The three of us are going.
Well,
Y'all can stay.
You don't call me if anything.
Me not call nobody. I'm a friend out there. So me have to go get me friend them and make sure so they're alright. Cause me not left this a place I left me get
Y'all
me
are
friend
so
them, you know.
unserious.
Una the cause of this and una know with us, you know.
because them comfortable. Come left them and come on.
Let's go.
I try away against the world. Come.
And she don't come here and go on. You know what about the place out there, I'm not going out there. How go on?
Ali, come, we're going there.
Come on.
Something right.
Yeah, lock the door.
Move now.
Chop chop. Chop chop. Chop chop. Where is Chop Chop? Want to talk to Chop Chop and know me can't find Chop Chop.
Chop Chop! Chop Chop, where are you? I want to talk to you about my friends.
Chop Chop! Chop Chop, where are you? We need to talk to you about Marika and Public and Puppy Dan. Chop Chop! Chop Chop, where are you? Chop Chop!
Tugger.
I search everywhere. There's no sign of no one.
Search everywhere upstairs. How can a businessman run one business establishment like this and you can't find him nowhere and just disappear?
Me just knock the office door and me hear something drop. Like a bottle or something.
Listen, before it wasn't so scary, but now
This shit is creepy, man.
it's getting out of hand. Chop Chop!
Hello?
He's not here.
This is so weird.
Let's go.
He is
come on.
responsible for the property and he's not here. He's nowhere to be found.
All right, guys. Guess what? We are going to go to the front.
Chop Chop!
We are going to go to the front. We are going to decide, say, we are going to split up and decide, say, we are going to search your friends, right?
Come on, let's
Okay.
go. Dave, come on.
Guys, stop. Guys, stop. We don't find any abnormal for our friend them gone missing and T and Ali are sit down in a place and decide that they not call help you, bro.
It's a lot of weird shit going on.
What can go so we friend them gone missing?
I can't believe you lied to me, Chelsea.
Me?
You
About
told
what?
me we're coming down here to do a history assignment.
Blame T and Ali. Shit that man they no say nothing to no
This
with
is my
weird
first
shit.
semester in college and this is what I'm doing.
Tugger, you can't blame me and you can't blame yourself. We can't blame nobody. Then they around weird something man, nobody no say nothing to we. Look how long we friend them gone missing. Suppose we never come.
Babes.
No, suppose we never decide say we are come spend the weekend with
we
them.
don't even know where to start.
Babes.
This a total shit, man. We come for one weekend. One nice weekend and a nightmare weekend.
Babes,
Just what, TB? What, just what?
be everything
Listen,
gonna alright.
listen. I know
We
this
gonna
is
find them.
frustrating.
We no beard, we no eat, we no have no
frustrating,
fun.
But listen, we're out on a task now to get back our friends, go back to the villa,
Yeah.
and get the hell out of here.
We alone and God
Right?
cause them decide that they not come.
That's the plan?
Alright, that's our plan. Me go so.
Okay. We know you didn't get to bed. We know you're hungry. And I'm frustrated as well, but we need to stick to the plan.
Alright, we'll stick together.
Find Marika, find Puppy Dan, and find
Public. Babes, right now I'm frustrated. Me tired, me fed up, me stressed out. It's like, me don't even know what to say, cause we come here to spend the weekend in holiday and see that we friend go missing. And we not stop until me find them, be. From me reach at the villa, you come like eyes upon me. Me can't get no time to spend with you. Me don't know what I'm stressed out.
No, alright.
Beard from me come.
Alright. Me understanding what I'm frustrated, but just calm down. Here we go do. We're going to decide what we are doing. We're going to search everywhere
we need a split
and
up.
make every turn, so we need to split up. Me go that way, me and Tibi. Toga, you can't go that way.
Yeah.
Okay,
Come on,
I'll
about
just
this
go
way.
up the road then.
Yes, and if
This some
anything,
weird ass shit, man.
I just call with phone.
Alright, just stay safe.
Anything at all, Toga,
Okay.
anything at all, just shout or call me. Just
Yes,
be
yes.
careful.
Yes, we're gonna be careful and we're gonna be safe, the two of us.
Me not left until me find my friend then.
Come on, let's check over there.
Alright. Oh God. This is too much.
Yes, babe.
That's all like Marika. Let me go.
No,
That's all like Marika.
no, you stay. You go deal with it. You go check.
Oh my God! Help!
Are you sure?
Be just be safe.
I'm so scared. Help!
Marika? Hello?
Help!
Marika?
There's a certain thing.
No, babe. Marika?
Somebody's there. Somebody's there.
Alia, how come I know Tugga, Tibi, nor Chelsea can't come back in a house?
I don't know, but something wrong. And I like we never tell them say don't. They just not here.
They not here. I same thing with Puppy Dan. Puppy Dan, I don't know what do them people here. Like literally, time long now.
But tell me tell you the truth. You see the rubbish bin that we chop or push? There is something off about that rubbish bin. And it stink. There's something about it we need to get in it. Maybe if we can find some form of evidence we can prove say he have something to do with the friend them are missing.
Ali, I not even want to think about that, you know. If you tell you the truth, I not even want to think about say Marika or Puppy Dan get unalive right now. So what you said to me right now?
Then I have to get unalive. But he can't have them and I carry them go do what you want to do with it. So we need to see. Right, yeah, listen. And look into me and say, if when time Chelsea, Tugga and Tibi come back and we have the evidence, we can go to the police station, you know. And when time we go to the police station, if we can prove the chapter have something to do with full friend them disappearance, police they will come out, probably find with friend, but we need to get in that bin. Something wrong with something off about that bin, man. Me not like how.
I don't know what wrong with your Puppy Dan, Chelsea, Tugga and Tibi. Why me couldn't so stubborn, man?
You don't understand. You need just come on. Make we go there and try get the evidence. Me use your phone and take one. Just come and see me. Just want to see what in our bin smells so.
Chelsea! Tibi! Marika! Puppy Dan! Public! Oh my God! This is like a fish blood, so. My God. Jesus Christ, please make no do them, lad, please. Tibi! Chelsea!
Tia, talk to me now. Move like you're interested. You're too coward now, man. Yeah, that cowardness. See, Tibi and Chelsea just come and then go search your friend. They were weak. Come on, man. We need to go out there, go see what going on. We need to go look for ourselves, check for ourselves. We can't just sit on this and wait for nothing. Come on.
Like, I don't know how that hearing, you know, man.
Hold on.
Calling supers. Jesus Christ. Chelsea! Tibi! One of them! God, please, me, I beg you, don't make nothing to them. Jesus, me not even have no credit. Jesus. Who's there? Lord God. Lord God. Johnson! You couldn't carry me ball out!
Alia, you swear? Alia, you think that one good idea?
That be nice, no man, you make too much nice. Well, I
I
know.
don't like this sitting here, you know.
You see chop chop? Eh? You see him?
Alia, if me did see him, would they tell you, we're not tapping eyes. You didn't tell me if you're tapping eyes and you the chat.
Wait.
That's
Togare,
the
wait, Togare. Alright, tell me where you're going. Just tell me that's not look. Jesus.
I can't believe Tibi escaped. Shit. I have to catch back Tibi.
Tia, come on.
What, Alia? Alia, I really happen. What you see?
Wait, no. Yes, Christ.
Alia, talk to me now, Alia.
Why, Tia? What if I meet in I bin?
What you mean by what if I meat? Like what? Animal meat? What you mean by what if I
Animal
meat?
meat and on a liver. A human body.
What you say?
Why if a human body parts? Yeah. We need to go.
Alia, what you mean by human parts in I bin?
If you can't look, you will see it. Human hand and foot and you're deaf. We know we have enough evidence to go to station now. You see, I saw the you see, as soon as Tugger, Tibi and Chelsea come, we need to get the hell out of here.
So Alia, you tell me, what kind of human parts could I in that they get? So America.
You want to go look? Exactly. We see as much. We need to go.
Who that?
Alia!
Tugger?
Alia!
Yes? You sure are you?
Yes, I'm me!
You sure?
Pull the door! Lock the door.
What happened?
One bag of sitting on Company Road.
What you say? What you mean by one bag of sitting?
So, we go outside and we look all over the place.
What Chelsea and Tibi?
I don't know because we split up. We split up and then me walk through and go place.
As the idiot here say something like one creepy and we're gonna split up.
You see when we left in here, so we split up out on the crossroad there, so cause TB and Chelsea I look for America and Public and me I look for Puppy Dan. And I go up the road and I no see them and I come back down and look for TB and Chelsea and I no see them. And I go over one dark parking lot and I see TV Supers and fresh blood, patch of blood on the ground.
Let me ask you one question. You know?
And you think of that? Me hear something run cross in the bush and me turn around, me hear one laughing sound.
So when me ask you, say, laughing sound make your accent change?
That's not the matter right now. You really ask me that? The man all like me.
So what me gonna spit up, Toga?
You just say it. Wanna look
No, you never watch movies.
The laughing sound goes something like that.
I see him laugh over here earlier when we run at you and look about him.
And me say, who's there?
I see him laugh. That ain't my worst part.
So you no see Chop Chop?
Listen, Chop is nowhere to be found. So me and Tia go outside and we see him push the bin from even. He look very suspicious. Well, who that?
Puppy down!
Puppy!
Puppy! Wait! Puppy! Puppy!
Puppy no! Puppy!
Puppy! Puppy!
Puppy!
Jesus Christ! Where you come from? Me just escape!
Escape far away.
Chop a wicked! Chop! I told you that guy was weird! Something is wrong with that guy!
Chop knock me out. Chop kidnap America.
We need to
Chop kidnap
we need to live. Me never bother want me and me bag.
Chop a wicked and Chop I do all this and then you have to left right now.
So where is Chop now?
I don't know. Look for me on. You want to bag them all left right
Me
now.
no want no bag.
What?
Jesus Christ, this place is cursed! Don't run, it's just the weekend. You reach to the end of this movie, so I want to remember, please like, share and subscribe. When I say subscribe, I no mean for just listen what I say and don't subscribe. Click the button now. You have 1 second. Alright, thanks. Thank you very much. And remember, comment your honest comment down in the comment section. Please. And remember, as they say in the intro, this movie is just a movie, a regular thing. So the Blue Crane escape is safe. None of this now go on. So don't take it serious. You know, people might say, oh, backside, and then I sit there going, we not go there. That now go on. Just a movie. Right? Big up yourself.